Hi everyone! Thank you for back to our channel New York Brothers. We are at the Minecraft exhibition in Liberty Science Center. Minecraft, the best-selling video game of all time, has a theme of building a world with the games for change. 6,000 square feet multimedia experience designed for player and non-player of all ages. Liberty Science Center is first stop for Minecraft exhibition several years long world tour. It looks like Minecraft has finally hit the big time by taking its act on the road. The exhibition runs through September 5th, 2022. It really is the digital world brought to life, and the kids who play it are really excited.
Okay, we're good.
왜? Are you ready to build a better world? It's amazing to children's games like this in person. Of course, Josh and Jesse love it so much. If you enjoy, and see you next time.